Okay, now we are finished with looking for mason jars here. So here, just give you a show. Like, they have all types of electronics here: computers, printers, rugs, everything. Maybe one day I'll do an in-depth view of this store. So I need to look for one more thing while I'm in here. It's a light bulb I need for my salt lamp. That's too big. That's a 4 watt. That's too big too. I need to find a lighting place. Down here. So I'm gonna pick up here just a bag of rice. Get a cold drink. I got some water. So if you do visit here, you want to be careful. They're real big on sparkling water here, so you want to make sure sparkling is bubbled. And if you see this has steel, that's just regular water, filtered water. All right, thank you. Let me see. Don't want anything junky. So a store like this, they don't have dollar stores in SA. Huh?
What do you think?
Let me get out.